This is your technical update from the LMAX Exchange Research and Analytics Desk for Thursday, April 23rd, 2015. Euro dollar. So the euro continues to chop around mid-range between 110.53 and 104.62. At this point, the market is still well locked within the well-defined downtrend, and deeper setbacks are favored below the recent 104.62 12-year low for a fresh downside extension down towards the parity level. Really, only back above 10.53 would delay the immediate bearish outlook, while key short-term resistance for now comes in around 108.50. Sterling dollar. So cable has extended its recovery out from those 45.65 multi-year lows, with the market now rallying above 150 thus far. Key resistance, however, comes in at 51.65, and a break back above that level will be required to take the immediate pressure off the downside. Until then, a lower top is sought out in favor of a fresh downside extension back below 145.65. Dollar yen. So dollar yen continues to consolidate with the market locked largely between 118 and 120. 122. The market is, however, locked within a more well-defined uptrend, with a eventual break above 122 sought out in favor of the next upside extension towards the 125 to 130 area further up. But at this point, it's more consolidation and just sitting back and waiting for the range to be broken. Any setbacks have been very well supported into 118, while rallies for now have been well capped above 120, but ultimately only a break back below 115.55, that December 2014 low, would negate the highly constructive outlook for dollar yen. Euro Swiss. So Euro Swiss finally saw a very impressive bullish reversal day on Wednesday, with the market unable to close below 102.50 and surging back above at 104. This bullish reversal day could set up a fresh recovery over the coming sessions that takes the market back towards that 108.15 high that we saw back in February. At this point, only a close back below 102.50 or a break below 102.35, the recent low, would compromise this outlook. Aussie dollar. So Aussie dollar continues to consolidate just off its recent multi-year lows at 75.33, and the overall structure remains highly bearish. At this point, any rally should be very well capped ahead of 79.38, while only a break back above this level would compromise the outlook. Dollar CAD. So dollar CAD is in the process of looking for the next medium-term higher low after breaking down below some key support in the previous week at 23.50. At this point, setbacks have stalled out ahead of at 120.88 and ahead of 120, though there is potential risk for additional weakness before the market does rally higher. Any setback should ultimately be very well supported in the 119 area, with an eventual break back above 128.35 sought out in favor of a retest of the 2009 peak at 130.65. Kiwi dollar. So the New Zealand dollar has been very well capped in recent trade up towards 77 or above 77, with any rallies expected to continue to be very well capped as this broader downtrend remains firmly intact. At this point, deeper setbacks are sought out back towards that recent low and below at 71.76, while any rally should be very well capped, and only back above 78.90 would compromise the bearish outlook. S&P 500. So the SPX 500 continues to consolidate just off that recent record high from February at 2120. The rallies have been very well capped in recent sessions above 2100. At this point, though, a break back below 2040, the low that we saw back on the 12th of March, would be required to confirm a potential top and accelerate declines. Inability to do so keeps the pressure on that 2120 record high, with a push above to potentially open the next major upside extension towards 2200. Gold. So gold has been in the process of chopping around just under 1200, though the market is looking like it wants to consolidate ahead of the next upside extension above 1225 and towards 1300. However, a break and close back below recent lows at 1178 would compromise this outlook and put the pressure back on the downside, potentially exposing a retest of that 2014 low at 1131. That's all for now.